Hello Excel learners, today we are going to learn about the home tab in Excel. Okay, so in home tab you find a lot of options for your formatting your text, alignment and numbers, styles, cells and everything. Okay, let's learn one by one. For example, if you wanted heading for this data set, okay, if you open you don't have any heading, so this is very simple. It's look like a text, but I wanted it as a heading. But before that, I wanted a cell over here. So here you have two options in cells option also. Insert cell. It will insert a row. Okay, and now click on this merge from C2 to H3 merged as one cell. So if I click on merge and center, it merged cells. Okay, into one cell. And I want both to be center, like vertically and horizontally. So this is a alignment: vertically top, middle, center and bottom, and horizontally also left, center and right we can do, but I wanted vertically and horizontally centered. Now I wanted to increase the size of this text. Okay, for that I have here option. Okay, if I click on 20, it increase the size of this data. Also by clicking on this button, it increase. By clicking on this A button, it decreases. Okay, so you can increase and decrease your font size. If I wanted to change the style of my font, I have here option. Okay, now I wanted to make it bold. So using this button, we can bold our data. Also bold and italic we can do. And shortcut key for bold is Control B, Control R. Okay, and again if you wanted to unbold, you can click on Control B. Now I wanted to fill the background color as a lighter blue. Okay, this one. So and I wanted to change the text color. Okay, so here only we have options. Okay, in font, home tab in font, we have these options to change the style of the text, the size of the text, also making the bold, italic, or to change the color or to fill the color. Okay, also we can do the alignment, merge and center, merge the cells. Okay, for example J3 to M3 I wanted to merge. That means these grid lines will removed here. Okay, and it become only one cell. You can write anything. You can do horizontally and vertically also. Okay, for example column wise, if I wanted to merge, I can select the range and click on this merge and center. Now whatever you write here, my first column. Okay, and now you wanted this data to be present vertically, so here you have that option. Okay, vertical text, my first column. Okay, and again you can do merge, center, you can increase the text, all the things you can do here. Okay, next I wanted to create a table. So this option, to select the table range, select first cell, Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow. It select the range of the table. Now I wanted this to be border. If I click on all border, so all borders are here, it gives a border to this table. Okay, here we have a lot of option: border, bottom, top border. So only one side of the border will appear. No border means you don't want any border. All borders means it make this as a table. Okay, now I want thick outside the border, so likewise you can do that. This column header, I want thick border around them. So if I select that range and thick border, so you will see this is a thick border. You can select the line, also draw, erase border. Okay, line color also you can select from here. Next section is number section. Okay, from the number section you can change the number particular column type. Okay, clicking here you will have multiple things: general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage. Likewise you have a lot of things. If you click on more formatting, you here, for example time, you wanted any formatting, you can create your format also here. And date, you have different formats, you can create your data also. Okay, so this is about the clipboard, font, alignment and numbers. Okay, So Clipboard help you to copy or cut the data until you paste somewhere. Also we have Format Painter to copy the formatting from one cell to another. Okay, next we have, so in font you can change the settings of your text, how your text should look like, by changing the font style, font size, also making bold, italic and underline, also decreasing and increasing your font size using these two buttons. Also you can highlight the font on, or you can color your text. Next is alignment. It helps you to align the text horizontally and vertically. Wrap text, keep a long text visible inside the same cell. For example, in this cell D36, this all text is present. Okay, if I click on the wrap text, means only in this cell you will see the text. Okay, it's not going out of that text. For example, if I open click on grid lines, you will see this is containing the long text. If I click on in only one cell, it visible, the text will be visible. Merge and center will combine the cells and center the text. Okay, for example, here if I click merge and center, you will see that it is merge and center the text. Before that it is looking like this. Orientation, that means this, you can rotate the text also. Next is numbers section, where you can format the how Excel read and display the value. General means you can treat data as plain text or number, and here you will see the number which add the decimal points. Currency, accounting, likewise you have a lot of different number formatting here. Style or cell, style the cell. Okay, that means if for example I click on this is my active cell. If I click style and click on any of that style, it will visible here. Okay, and you can create your own style also by clicking new style. What it does, cell style apply present color, font and borders in one click. Okay, good, bad, neutral style flag data meaningfully. Heading style create structured reports. Next is conditional formatting, that means this. We are going to learn this in next video, condition formatting, cell group and editing group. So see you in next video.